Hello and welcome to a new video. It's the first one out of our garage/workshop. Oleg moved here at the beginning of the week and we've also spent a lot of time here since then. In today's video you can see what we've done during this time, which includes removing both bumpers, the headlights, the head lining and some other bigger and smaller stuff out of the engine bay and the trunk. Some of these steps are really necessary because the parts are broken, like the head lining is, and some steps are not as necessary as the broken parts, but now as we have the opportunity to do some beauty surgeries on it, we will take it and do it.
Short disclaimer at this point, Laura and I, we are both not really experts when it comes to working on cars, but I worked on several different kinds of vehicles in my life, and I trust myself to be able to do such an intense project, but yeah, there surely will be some mistakes I will do, and that's okay because I think I can learn out of this. But if you want to do such a project and you're not exactly sure what you have to do, maybe don't trust on my opinions and even better ask an expert. Yeah, and now have fun watching this video. Okay, a lot of stuff is now removed from the engine bay, and now we'll carry on with removing the bumper and the radiator grille, headlights and so on, and then slowly working our way back. That didn't go according to plan, so maybe we'll start with the radiator grille. Horn removed.
Welcome out of the trunk of our car. We will now step in and remove some stuff, starting with the back seat and then moving our way through the car and deciding which parts we will take off now and which we may let in for now. Nee, let's stay. Then we will move further inwards and decide which parts we check out and which may stay for now and need some beauty surgery later on.
The new day, new funny stuff to do. Today I'm alone at the workshop and Laura is at home editing the last video, which you have probably seen, and if not, go and check it out. So since I'm alone, I will not carry on the bumper and the trailer hitch because it's a two-man and woman job. Instead I will continue on the interior, and first I will start with building a little template for our roof console, which we want to build inside. So let's get started. Yeah, roof console is ready. No, of course not. And it's even not a really precise template which I can use later on, but it was only to get an idea of how it will look later and try some different designs. I've also tried this one with a single straight part in the front, but then it's too low in front of the seats, and also you will have an angle towards the windshield. So I came out with this design, which I think will work best for us. Some higher parts in front of the seats and a little bit of room for some smaller stuff, and a lower part in the middle with enough room for a CB radio and some additional switches. Yes, but this is a project for later on when we will start to rebuild the interior after we rebuild the engine and the drivetrain. Yes, but for now I will remove this and remove some other interior parts as the seats, so that we can start working out our new design.
So as you can see, our headlining is pretty damaged, and to be able to remove it, and more importantly installing the new one, it's also necessary to remove the windows. So this is the next step.